fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Alright, y'all, I've been eating like crap for a while, so this is the soup I make when I want to kickstart my little health, you know, and fitness and looking all beautiful like I do journey again. It's just a vegetable soup. I got some potatoes, can of green beans back there. We're going to put some sriracha. I use bottled water, not tap water. We got some celery, onion, and carrots there. A couple cans of V8 and this Better Than Bouillon vegetable broth, and then oregano, turmeric, garlic, and black pepper for not really for seasoning. That's like more for health benefits. So yeah, that's what we're gonna eat. All right, in here we got melting about a tablespoon and a half of Irish butter, just to add a little bit of fat and to help saute some of these veggies. And to that, we're going to add some carrots, onions, and celery to start our soup. Up in there. We're going to saute them for a little bit. And add some more stuff. Okay, now we're gonna add in our potatoes. I got about 4 of them peeled and cubed up in there. Got all that. Keep cooking for a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to add a gallon of bottled water here. Can of drained green beans. We're gonna add that up in there. Two little mini cans of V8. I like to use Better Than Bouillon, so I'm going to use about 2 scoops of that, 2 large scoops of that in the soup. Use however much you want. I really like this stuff. It's like a paste kind of. So yeah, I like this. So there we go. We're going to bring that to a simmer. I'm going to add some seasoning and some other things here in a minute. Alright, so to this we're going to add some garlic. Helps lower your blood pressure along with lots of other stuff. It's just garlic powder. We're going to add oregano. And this is like a natural antibiotic. And we're adding add in turmeric, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. And we're also going to add black pepper because that's an absorption enhancer. It helps absorb all the other good stuff from all these, veggies and seasonings. Stir that. And we're gonna add a little bit of this sriracha chili, hot chili sauce, just for some kick. I'm gonna keep bringing this up to a boil and let it simmer, probably for about an hour. And then we'll be ready to eat. Alright folks, here's what I'm going to be eating the next couple days to kickstart my healthy eating habits. So, yum! Give it a try. See you later. Bye!
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never